Today we're showing you a 1982 Kubota B7100 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor, has just under 800 hours. Comes with a Kubota 1630C front end loader. Tractor's in pretty good shape yet. It is one of our budget friendly tractors, so it is selling as is. Where is, we did run the tractor around the yard here. There are no known issues with the machine. However, it is selling as is. Where is, if you're looking for a cheaper four-wheel drive loader tractor, certainly well worth a look here. Does have the 540 PTO, 3-point hitch, so you can run a box blade, a tiller, small brush hog, finish mower, anything of that nature. It's not beat up or banged up. You can see the hood here does have some paint fade to it. Loader paint's pretty good. Has the gear drive transmission. You can see the current hours are 773.7. If you have any questions regarding the tractor, please contact us at masttractor.com.